Alright guys, welcome to our latest video with Boss Edward. Guwapo. Okay, so test natin ngayon is load test to confirm kung itong 1650 is true. So yan. So anything will happen, masira or maano, hindi makaabot sa wattage na sinabi, and yun, malalaman natin yan. So meron tayong 5 kVA na variac which is in tune. We will tune it to 220. Ayan, 220. And we have yan, output ng variac. Uy, hindi 220. Dapat ano yan, 220. Ayan, 220. Sa channel 1 lang test natin. Okay. Start up. Okay. So yun yung output niya. Malinis. Off natin yung iba. So yan. So direct na yan. On natin thermal. Okay. So yung output VRMS niya as for the moment without clipping is 97.8 volts RMS stereo mode. So ang aim natin dito is no clipping and or before clipping or onset of clipping, at least maabot siya sa 16 watts 1650 watts, more or less 16 watts 1650 watts na rated sa unit na ito. Okay, so I will not show yung anong laman nito for you to be intrigued kung anong laman ng amplifier na ito. Yan. So it's up to you. So output ito. Yan. Output to. Maraming mga wires na hindi naman kasama dyan. Signal natin is balance output channel 1 and channel 2 nasa 1.414 VRMS at 100 Hz. Ayun. To confirm display. Yan, measurement source 144. Ayan, 90 rise time, frequency channel 100 Hz. Okay. Off. Counter yan, measurement off. Yung may counter tayo 100 Hz. Yun. So load test na natin. Idling niya is 50 watts. Ayun. So yung output niya is 1172.4. So 1673 watts. Okay. So lumampas siya sa rated na wattage. Okay. Yan. Yan sa 8 ohms yan. confirm. Yung isa is mainit. So may channel na mainit, dito naman is malamig. So onset, ewan ko ganito, yan. Kita yung may konting drop. Sobrang parang wala lang. Ayan. Yan. May team na tayo ngayon kasi sa pumunta tayo sa Battle of Bengkasen. So yan. So gawin natin 4 ohms load. Babaan natin konti. Konti lang, konti. And let's observe. Ayan. Observe. Tuning. Ayun. So 4 ohms load, ayan siya. Power consumption dapat tabi to. So output is 2000 watts, 24 and 2900 watts. Mainit na rin yung pangalawa. Ayan. May mga part na mainit, mas mainit. Ayan. Power consumption niya ngayon is 29 sa 4 ohms load. Ayan o, mainit na. Dalawa na yung may... Ito mas mainit kasi nauna to eh. So yan, confirm tayo na yung Kke 1650 watts is confirmed to be true. So yung 1650 rating, so tama yung mga speculation ko noon na based on manual is mostly sa mga China amps na true rated is yung sinasabi nila na watts sa manual is yun yung watts with power consumption. It's, nakasama na yung power consumption pati yung output. So kung gusto nyo makuha yung efficiency sa 4 ohms load o 8 ohms load, ayan, efficiency formula na lang yung gagamitin nyo. Ayan o. Output divided by input times 100. Okay, so that's it. Thanks for watching, and maybe sa next video yung 1.3 at 1.4 kung may time, at saka yung power plant test natin. Okay, ayoko na mag test of bridge mode, kita naman sa unang video. Okay, alright.